For this side parting slip ponytail, you want to start on freshly washed hair. So I washed mine, put it in twists to stretch it so that it will be easier for you to handle. Go ahead and handle your hair to make sure you are not going to be meeting a lot of tangles while brushing it down. So you can see my hair here. While my hair needs a lot of trimming, I've known this for a while, but like I've been procrastinating. So first things first, you want to part your hair, and I'm going for the C pattern. So you want to calm down, take your time to do this. You just have to like get around it. I don't really know what to say, so I just put my combs in slanted and I keep on carving out the lines till I get what I want. Then your edge control is your best friend. You want to use it to define that part so that it will be crisp. I did that. Like I'm feeling myself. If you can't get a C pattern, please just go with a straight line. That will be this. So I'm going to section out that top section of my hair because that's what I'll be using to do the side swoop. Then I'm going to now focus on laying the back and the sides down first. So I'm parting out the sides so that I can just lay the back first. I don't want to do the whole hair together because when you have fussy hair, sometimes it's very difficult to handle, and especially if you have full hair. Mine isn't even that full, but like I needed to section it out. So make sure you do that. So here I'm using Echo Gel. This is my first time using this blue one. It's wrote extra hold or something of that nature. So I'm like, wow, let's try it and see. But like from my experience, I think I prefer the green one or the argan oil one, the one with the red cover, to this blue one. I've also been using a twisted brush for this hairstyle. So now I'm detangling my hair, like I'm really getting into it. And as you can see, the back part I parted it into two. This is to allow me put the gel in between, so that I'll make sure that my hair is saturated with the gel to a good like quantity or something of that nature, so that when I'm slicking it down, it will lay down flat. Because when there is no much gel, then you won't be able to really slick it down. Going in with my twisted brush, and I'm taking my time brushing it down, trying to make sure everything is smooth and clean. Then I'm taking my hair ruffle and I'm banding that section together. Now once you finish banding it together, you want to go in and braid that part to avoid tangles and make sure that your hair is protected. Now for the next section, when I will lay down other parts of the hair, I will just twist it because it was like a little bit, was not as large as this portion. Come back to the front, like the sides of my hair. So I'm detangling. Then you will see me take my gel, put the gel in, and start to smooth it down with a bristle brush. So just stay put, watch, enjoy, and try and follow everything I'm doing. Here you can see me going like on the back of the ones I've laid, putting the gel and then putting it on the one I'm about to lay down. This is so that it would help this one I'm about to lay down lap on the other one. You know, just like when you want to glue something, you want to make sure that the glue is on the two surface or something of that nature. That is like the logic I'm using here. Myself, my name is Mbbah-Offor. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thanks for coming back. Yeah, not all my videos do well, but like I'm so grateful. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to stay tuned. So now I went in with my edge control to make sure I'm getting all the little hairs I really want to get, because I'm not planning on like laying edges or anything. So now I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm making sure that line is crisp, because at this point I'm trying to add a design to that side of the hair. because that's like the other half side, not the side the soup will fall on. So you just want to, as I've brushed the hair down with the brush to brush, you now want to take your comb down and cut at any side, any particular part you want to cut, like that, and then you've gotten the line. Like, it's that simple, that simple. Don't stress about it. If you are stressing about it, just do it once and just pull off. Because sometimes if you keep on going through certain stuff, just end up like messing it up. I can tell you for free. Then I'm taking my Gods to Be Edge gel, and I'm layering it on top because I really want that place to be stiff. I don't want it to move because I'm going to be carrying this hair for 2 weeks. Actually, I carried it for 2 weeks because today's Friday and I'm still on it. I'll even be washing it up this weekend. Then I took my God to Be Free spray and I'm spraying it there because I want this thing to be stiff. Like my hair don't move, baby. So now we're back to the top section, the last section. So I'm tangling it. And I noticed that the part is too big. So I just took this portion and I'm going to lay this portion down and tie it at the back before focusing on doing the swoop with the other portion. Now this whole game is like a play around something. But make sure that when you get something to the nail, please pull out because I suffered this day. And mind you, like this was early morning of me going to work and I had to get my head done. I was like, why the hell didn't I do this the night before the day? Please don't be like me because you would see what I had to experience because of that. So you want to take the bristle brush and lay everything down. Then I tied it to the ones at the back. Then now I'm taking the last part that I would use to create my swoop. As you can see, I'm patting in between it to put the gel before laying it down. This will help the gel to be within the hair and everywhere and to help it lay much more easier. Don't be scared to open that hair up and add more gel if you need to, because when you're trying to lay down with the bristle brush and you notice that this thing no dey work well, my sister, just open the hair up and add more gel. So now I'm taking my bristle brush and I was like trying to figure this whole thing out. So I'm brushing and brushing. I even had to brush throughout the strands of my hair. Then I took it and swooped it like this without using the brush. And it was okay. Like I can see a part that is open sharp, but like it was okay. Then I went ahead to use my bristle brush to like spoil the whole stuff. And I think at this point I'm going to put it in the iCard. I'm going to link my first side swoop slick ponytail, and that was when my hair was short. So I was like, why is this thing giving me problem? Now my hair is long. Like what the hell is going on? So make sure you watch that, especially if your hair is not yet maybe fully long. And also to get maybe in-depth tutorial because man, I was just throwing this shit on that morning because I was in a hurry to step out. Like I was already late, literally speaking. So as you can see, I had to go against it. I did this in like 3-4 times and kept on redoing. At this point I just gave up. So I did it, brushed it down towards my face, held it tight, and then just swooped it with my hand without using the brush. Then I'm taking bobby pins to pin it in place to make sure like it laps on like where I had placed it. Like I wanted it to glue or gum to the other section of my hair so it will not lift at all throughout the time I'm wearing it. Now I noticed that this strand of hair was coming out, so I was like, man, let's just define the coil. Like I was feeling the coil at that point, and this is my hair dryer. Like that morning as I was rushing it, just had to spoil. I stepped on it accidentally because this is the part where you go with your hair dryer to dry it and make sure everything's in place. But since I didn't have that, I was something else. So you can see how the back of the hair is looking. And this adjustable ponytail, I got it from Darling. At that time I think they were selling it 4,000, but I got it like with a discount. I don't know how much the price is now. So you just want to put the 2 pins in your hair. So I put it at the top and at the bottom, and then you take the strings and tighten it and take the excess strings and wrap around the hair. Then you also want to take a portion of the hair from the back, like from under, and wrap like around the ponytail to create a nice firm base. Now kind of make this thing dry and everything strong, I went in with my free spray and I sprayed it. Please be careful with your eye, you don't want to get this into your eye. So I sprayed it and sprayed it. Then I had to take my hair scarf, like a silk one, and lay this hair down. and you can still see the gel popping out. That was the kind of excess gel I had put in this hair, and that was because of the try and error and everything. So when you lay it down, please stay under a fan or go with your hair dryer, or at least do it the night before. Sleep with it. That'll be better. So yeah, I just left this part where I was doing my everyday makeup, no foundation, no concealer, just something simple. Just enjoy.
Pray for you. I try to pray for you. Even when there's nothing, you always make up something. You know I try to pray for you. Even when we're touching,
Now review time. I had to take the scarf to work because I was trying to make this hair dry. And one thing I regret is if I know I would have just left it and just ignored the fact that I had a scarf. But I wanted to look good because it was an event. I wanted people to see me nice. Now this whole thing has a story to it, man. I came back that day from work and I had to sleep without laying my head down. Like I didn't tie my scarf and I slept. And mind you, the whole gel went into my scarf. The hair didn't dry down strong and everything. So like I woke up like this. I was like, what? And like I'm getting too personal with you guys. You guys saw my my early morning like tired, angry face. Like that thing was annoying. So I was just using anger to do this thing so you can see how I fixed it. In case if you encounter this problem, that's why I put in this clip. Like most people will not even show you this because let it not be as if they don't know what they are doing. But like I'm here for you, girl. So I just tried my best, fixed it. Like due to the fact that the hair shrinks, showing you that the gel wasn't even like in my hair that much, I was able to just go in with the gel and mine use water based. But if your own is like stiff, please go in with a little bit of water before putting the gel so that it will lay. And I'm going in with my got to be gel on top. And you also see me go with my free spray because I was trying to get this shade right. I didn't even want any other story. If yours is split one, like just go beneath it to the got to be spray and then lay it down. It will come like it will bleed to the other part of the hair. So this time around I had to take two scarves. I was like, this shit's gonna lay.
So I inserted this clip from today, day 12 of carrying this hairstyle, and as you can see it's okay even though it's looking crusty and dusty. I will be washing it tomorrow, which is Saturday. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.